Oh yeah, so here I am, walking into the gym. Big stepper. It's leg day. Let's get busy. All right. So I already done warmed up. I ain't record that part, but you warmed up. My first set, I got one plate on each side. Uh, Going for as many reps as I can. You get that burn, get that deep squat in there. That's how we do it. I usually squat with my sneakers off, flat foot on the canvas. Today I did not feel like taking my shoes off. And they say that sometimes the air bubble in your sneakers can like throw off the actual balance. So you're not necessarily getting that firm grip to the ground. But today I didn't care. It's okay to switch it up from time to time. So that's what I did. Kept the sneakers on. Maybe I'll take them off next week just for a more stable, flat surface. Then I upped it up. I went up to 225 on the squats. I like to go real deep. I like to, stretch as much as I can, get all the blood in those legs. So like I say, we at 225. Easy work, easy money. Nothing. It's nothing but a thing. Peep the shirt out. Peep the shirt. Do you value life? Do you value life? Huh? You in the gym? You eating healthy? Yeah. Your family got life insurance. But anyways, we'll talk about that later. Yeah, there I is doing a 225. I don't know why we didn't get more videos of Jabri, but he's over there working. Now I'm up to 315. About to get busy on the 315. You nervous when you got to check the weight from side to side. I possibly just could have went in there and just grabbed the bar and went. But as it gets heavier, the more procrastinating I do. I'm not gonna lie. That's just what I do. So boom. But when it's time to, but when you touch the bar, it's time to go straight up with it. So there I am, 315, getting busy. I need to put those clamps on the bar because these plates be moving too much, bro. And that could definitely fluctuate the weight from side to side, and you be lifting more on one side than the other because it's unbalanced. But I did 315, pretty easy. Heart rate up, crazy cardio workouts, kicking my butt. So here we go with Jabri. At the time, making a YouTube video wasn't, a thought of mine, so I really wasn't recording everything. But I just happened to get 215 Jabri. This is first time squatting in years. But once again, this is not his first set. He warmed up and did a set before this and then a set before that. And now he's at 225. But as you see, he gets right to it. No hesitation in the movement. Just get right to it. Don't even think about it. Just go at it. Go deep. Go down. Get the blood pumping in the legs. You don't tell the muscles what to do. You tell the muscles what. The muscles don't tell you what to do. You tell the muscles what to do. Sorry. Get busy. All right. Now we're gonna go back over to me, I believe. All right. So now I'm at 405. I told myself I wasn't going to go heavy anymore, but I felt good this day. I don't really see the necessity of going heavy. I like to do heavy reps. I'm really not a fan of just doing one of something. But before, boy, I used to knock these 405s out. But I only had one in me this time. But before, I was doing like 4 to 5, reps of 405, man. Now, do I need to get back to that? Don't know. So right now, I took the weight off. We done at 315. And if I'm correct, okay. So what happened here was, once again, those plates went crazy on me, and I ain't like that. So I re-racked it, and we put the clamps on them just so that the weights could stop moving all over the place. And then we're going to get busy again. I believe this is my super fatality set, which means I'm going to keep going until there's no more weight. So we're going to go heavy at the 315, right? I think I probably got like 1 or 2. Because by the time, I'm tired now. 1, 2. I'm tired. So yeah, I racked it. I remember this. And now we're going to take off a plate. And we're going to go again. This is how you build that muscle. And burn fat. Because I was exhausted after this. Heart rate up, sweating like crazy. Look at me. Back into it. Boom. Get in there. No hesitation. Go. Drop. That's right. Go. No playing around. Work. Easy money. That's a lie. You know, working out is not fun at all. I'm not gonna lie. It's like it. You got to be a madman to want to go in there and do this. But we love seeing the results, man. We love seeing the results. I can't wait for my legs to be popping. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna finish this off. I believe this is like 125. I never was really too sure on what the one place numbers were. So now we're just gonna go all out for it. Let's go. Easy. 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 Once again, I am not a personal fitness trainer. You're gonna do however you feel like you use it to do it. Me, this is how I do it. Boom, rack that. I'm tired. Hey, buddy. I know you seen that camera. Anyways, yeah, I'm tired, fam. That's it. I'm done. And that was just the first workout. We had so many other leg workouts to do after that. So now it's return to get busy in this fatality set. Fatality set squats. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I believe he's at 225, 245. So now we're going to take off the 10 pound plates, which is actually 20 pounds because it's 10 on each side. It means a lot, man. 10, 20 pounds is a lot. Don't sleep on 10 to 20 pounds. Boom, back into it. No hesitation. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. I'm not going to lie. If you do these right, you're not going to need cardio after this. You'll probably be overdoing it if you did cardio after this. We was exhausted. Can't feel your legs after this. This is what you need. Walk with a limp. Let's go. All right, boom. And we got him down to 125. He about to knock these out. Come on. Let's go. Oh, look at the Do You Value Life shirts. They're not for sale. I need to sell them. Let's go. Boom. Knock these last 125s out, man. It's nothing. That's lightweight. It's light work. It's nothing. You got this. Everybody start clapping. Clap it up. Boom. Go, 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 go. Oh, he's done. And yeah. There you have it, man. We got busy today in the gym. And this was just like our first workout. Squats. Look, he tired. He done.